Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question how to name the organic compound that is called as the nomenclature of organic compound. You know, each organic compound have a special name depend upon the functional group. Clear बेटा? So अगर आप किसी भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड को नेम देंगे बेटा तो यहाँ पे आप डिपेंड करेंगे कि वो जो कंपाउंड है उसमें कौन सा एफ जी मीन्स फंक्शन ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है. सो डिपेंड अपॉन द फंक्शन ग्रुप वी आल्सो नेमिंग द different types of organic compound. So question is that in this basic principle of organic chemistry unit number 14 we take the what here nomenclature of organic compound in 11. ठीक है. So how to write the name of organic compound? So you know in the organic chemistry we naming the any compound with the help of two system. First is called as the common name and second is called as the what here IUPAC name. Common name is also called as trivial name. Which name? Trivial name or common name. What is common name? Common name indicate this compound are origin from this source. For example, formic acid come from formica. Formica which is present in the ant, ant ant. Clear? So depend upon the sources or origin of any compound we get a common name. So how to write the common name of some organic compound? We take the example here. ठीक है बेटा, common name or trivial name. So we take the structural formula in the first column and second column we take the common name or trivial name. For example, in this compound it contain how many carbon? 4 carbon. Carbon number first, carbon number second, carbon number third, carbon number fourth. This compound contain a 4 carbon. That's why any compound which contain a 4 carbon, it is a member of alkane called as butane. Butane is called as a 4 carbon. So if you write the common name of these types of compound, if the any straight chain contain a more than 3 carbon or 3 carbon, ठीक है, any straight chain hydrocarbon or any compound of straight chain of a carbon which contain a more than 2 carbon atom, means 3 carbon atom, 4 carbon atom, 5 carbon atom, we take the word before we write the common name N. N indicate normal chain, it does not contain any branch. N क्यों use करते बेटा हम? This N are used to indicate the normal chain. It means which chain which contain more than 2 carbon. It contain how many carbon? 4 carbon. That's why we take the N. N called as normal chain, it does not contain any branch. ठीक है बेटा. So N, how many carbon? 4 carbon called as what here? Butane. So name of common name of this compound is called as what here? N-butane. What here? N-butane. Second example, this compound contain a branch. This CH3 indicate what here? Branch. That's why any compound which contain a branch, if we write the common name of these types of compound, so we take the word iso here. What here? Iso or याद रखो बेटा, iso word or what here? SEC called what here? Secondary. It means it is isobutane or secondary butane, BUTANE. Clear? Because it contains how many carbon? Carbon number 1, 2, here 3, here 4. It also contains 4 carbon. 4 carbon is called as what? A member of alkane called as what here? Butane. But here iso or secondary. Why? Because it is contain one branch. Or why is called secondary? Because it is which carbon? Secondary carbon. Why secondary carbon? Attached to how many carbon? 2 carbon called as secondary carbon. So what is secondary carbon? A carbon attached to 2 carbon, and this secondary carbon attached to branch is we take the word here iso or secondary. Iso or secondary. अगर एक branch है तो iso लिखते हैं बेटा, ठीक है? So iso or secondary butane. It is the common name of the what here? This compound. Third, the special name of compound called what here? The structural formula of compound C6H5NH2. The common name of this type of compound called what here? Aniline. What here? Aniline. Clear? Fourth example, the 4 how many carbon? 1, 2, 3 carbon attached to 1 OH. Clear? So the special name of this types of compound which contain a 1 OH group and second COH group called as what here? Lactic acid. These lactic acid are present in the what here? Milk. Is a one types of what here? Protein which is present in the milk called as a lactic acid. Clear? Formula CH3CHOH. It means the structural formula of this compound and the common name of this compound what here? Lactic acid. Now fifth here CaCl3. The common name of this types of special name of the CaCl3 called what here? Chloroform. Or you know this chloroform are used as a anesthetic agent. देखते ना आप, अगर किसी की रॉबरी करना है ना, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हैंडकरचिप के ऊपर हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? क्लोरोफॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं। इस तरीके से उसको यानी कि नोज़ पर लगाते हैं। यानी ये क्या करता है, ये डायरेक्टली बॉडी को क्या करता है? एनेस्थेसिया मतलब बेहोश कर देता है। ठीक है, तो इट इज कॉल्ड क्लोरोफॉर्म। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट ईयर द CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH, द कॉमन नेम ऑफ दिस टाइप कंपाउंड व्हाट हियर? एसिटिलीन। व्हाट हियर? इट इज अ मेंबर ऑफ अल्काइन। व्हाट इज अल्काइन? Alkyne contain carbon-carbon triple bond called as alkyne. That's why the member of alkyne what here? Special name, common name acetylene or trivial name acetylene. Next here number 7 C2H5O C2H5. So it is an example of, or the common name of this compound is what here? Ether. Okay. Next here 8 CH3COH. So the common name of this type of compound called what here? Acetic acid. Next here HCOH. It contain how many carbon? 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. It is called as the common name formaldehyde. Next here number 10 CH3CH attached to NH COH. यहाँ पे बेटा CH3 है, यहाँ पर जो है तो CH या CH पर कौन सा बॉन्ड अटैच है? NH2 COH. It is called as what है? Glycine. Glycine is one type of amino acid. You know what is amino acid? It contains 2 types of compound. One is called as a amine group, second called acid. So NH2 called as amine and this COH called as amino acid. It is called as a what here? Amino acid. So all these called as a what? Common name of the given organic compound. With the help of structural formula, clear? We write the common name. Clear? So common name we write depend upon the origin or sources of the this organic compound are come from. ठीक है? Clear? Now we take the second here IUPAC name of the what here? Some organic compound. So first of all, what is IUPAC? So the word IUPAC name are discovered in 1919. ठीक है, ओके। ये जो सबसे पहले जो डिस्कवरी हुई बेटा कब हुई? इसकी 1919। ठीक है, इसमें डिस्कवरी हुई है। ठीक है, और व्हाट इज IUPAC? सो द IUPAC मीन्स व्हाट हियर? सो द IUPAC वर्ड इट्स अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट हियर? I for international, U for union, P for pure, A for applied, and C for chemistry. So in the one word we write here International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry called as the IUPAC system. And these IUPAC system are very useful to write the name of any organic compound. Clear? Common name क्या यूज करते हैं? With the help of sources हम we write the common name. IUPAC name, it is an international name. We write the any name of the any organic compound with the help of IUPAC name. What is IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry called as the IUPAC name. So what is the question here? How to write the IUPAC name of straight chain hydrocarbon called as alkane? It means how to write the name of a member of alkane called which name? IUPAC name of the member of alkane. Alkane called as hydrocarbon. Why? Because it contains carbon as well as hydrogen called as hydrocarbon. So we take the what here? First number of carbon, second molecular formula, third condensed formula, and fourth IUPAC name. So we take the question what here? The question started here IUPAC name of straight chain hydrocarbon means it does not contain any branch called straight chain hydrocarbon of alkane. We take the number 1. So number 1 means number of carbon is what here? 1. It means the first member of alkane. It means a methane which contain how many carbon? 1 carbon. We take the carbon number 1. Molecular formula CH4. It means one first member of the alkane. It contain how many carbon? Carbon number 1. So we take the carbon number of carbon what here? 1. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट ईयर कंडेंस फार्मूला व्हाट हियर? सो सेम ईयर CH4, इट्स अ सेम कंडेंस फार्मूला. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द IUPAC name of this CH4? So methane. So methane, ethane, propane, butane depend upon the carbon. So we write the name of the IUPAC methane, ethane, propane. Clear? Next here, why methane? Because we replace the E from what here? AN, methane. Methane is contained in the IUPAC name of the what here nomenclature of hydrocarbon alkane. अगर आप अल्केन का IUPAC नेम लिखते हैं बेटा तो अल्केन का जो लास्ट सफिक्स है वो यूज़ करते हैं ANE. मीथेन इट आल्सो कंटेन व्हाट सफिक्स ANE. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ईयर टू कार्बन विच इज यर टू कार्बन कंटेन व्हाट इथेन. So formula C2H6 called ethane. It have the what condensed formula CH3 single bond CH3. It is called this formula condensed formula. How many carbon? 2 carbon first carbon. Each carbon have the how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. 3 hydrogen लगाया हमने यहाँ पे. What is this? 2 carbon called what here? So 2 carbon called what here बेटा ethane. It also write a suffix what here ANE ethane. Third here we take the which carbon? How many carbon? 3 carbon. 3 carbon called what here beta? 3 carbon called what here? 1 carbon increase what here? C3H. It means it is a homologous series. आपको पढ़ाया मैंने. Means carbon increase by 1 और H increase by 2. So carbon 1 1 1 2 2 plus 1 3 H6 plus 2 8. We write a condensed formula. How many carbon? 3 carbon CH3 C. First carbon attached to 3 hydrogen and last carbon attached to 3 hydrogen. Remaining what here? 2 hydrogen. So it is called as what here? Which formula? The condensed formula. Next here, how many carbon? 3 carbon called what here beta? Propane. Propane also write a suffix what here? ANE propane. Fourth here, we take the how many carbon? 4 carbon. 4 carbon means what here? C4H. How many? 10. We write here structure formula, condensed formula CH3, then CH2 by 2, then CH3. कंडेंस फार्मूला में द फार्मूला इन विच वी कंबाइन द 2 CH2 ग्रुप. देखो ये CH2 एक था, ये CH2 1 + 1 2 हो गया ना. सो वी टेक द वाट हियर 2. एंड इसी को अगर बेटा कंबाइन फॉर्म इसमें लिखा काय में देखो CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3 बोथ आर सेम बेटा. हाँ पर चेंज क्या है, इसको मैंने क्या कंबाइन कर दिया है, दोनों कंबाइन कर दिया ना. तो कंबाइन में क्या लिखा CH3 दिस CH2 by 2 में दिस CH2 by 2 एंड CH3. So we write what here? The CH3 CH2 by 2. How many carbon? 4 carbon called what here? Butane. Butane also write the suffix what here? ANE. Butane. ठीक है. Next here, how many carbon? 5 carbon. 5 carbon called what here? The C5H. How many? 12. How many carbon? We take the 1 CH3 and the remaining CH3 by 3 and this CH2. How many carbon? 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 1 5 5 called as C5H12. Then how many carbon? 5 called as what here? Pentane. What here beta? So we take the what here? Pentane. Pentane also write suffix what here? ANE. Next here number 6 what here? C6H what here? 14. So we write here CH3 CH2 by how many? 4. Then CH3. What we write? Name hexane. Hexane also contain which suffix ANE. It means this indicated the if you write the IUPAC name of straight chain hydrocarbon called as alkane, we take the number of carbon, second molecular formula, third condensed formula, and fourth with the help of the condensed formula we write a name. 2 carbon called as 1 carbon called as methane. 2 carbon. It means we write the common IUPAC name by using the suffix ANE. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. Then 7 what here? Heptane. How many carbon? C7H16. So CH3 here CH2 by how many? 5 and here CH3. It is called what here? Heptane. Clear beta? Next here we take the number 8. 8 is called what here? C8H18 called as what here? Octane. So CH3 here CH2 by how many? 6 here CH3. ठीक है बेटा. हेप्टेन what here? Octane. How many carbon? 8 carbon called octane. And last here we take the number 9 what here? C9H20 called as what here? Octane. Then known as CH3 CH2 by 7. Clear? Then CH3. It is called as what here? Known as NONANE. No need. All these member of the alkane with suffix we write the ane. That's why if you write the IUPAC straight chain hydrocarbon of alkane, we write the suffix ane in the last. Methane, ethane, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन, पेंटेन, हेक्सेन, हेप्टेन, ऑक्टेन, नोनेन, डिकेन. अब इसके बाद नंबर 11 भी है उसमें. नंबर 8, नंबर 9 क्या है बेटा? नो नंबर 10 क्या है? डिकेन. नंबर 11 दो डिकेन, ट्राई डिकेन, अप टू वाट हाउ मेनी कार्बन? 20 कार्बन आपको चार्ट में दिया हुआ है. पेज नंबर जो बुक का है वो 2121. सो जो पेज नंबर 2121 है 11 क्लास का जो आपका चैप्टर है सम बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, उसमें पेज नंबर 212 पर आपको पूरा उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया हुआ है बेटा. तो पूरा चार्ट आपको अच्छे से नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है. मैंने आपको एग्जांपल बताया सिर्फ भी 9 तक दिया आपको, 11 अप टू 9 10 अप टू 20 तक आपको सब इस तरीके से चार्ट बनाना है. ठीक है, इजी है बेटा. हमने क्या देखा पहले आज? हाउ टू राइट द कॉमन नेम ऑफ द हाउ टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कॉल्ड एज द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन द 11th क्लास. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वी टेक कॉमन नेम. हाउ टू राइट द कॉमन नेम और ट्राइवल नेम? द कॉमन नेम इज आल्सो कॉल्ड ट्राइवल नेम. ठीक है, सो कॉमन नेम जब लिखते हैं बेटा हम लोग तो पहले हम ओरिजिन लिखते हैं कि वो जो भी कंपाउंड है वो कहाँ से ओरिजिन हुआ, उसका सोर्स क्या है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल 4 कार्बन कॉल्ड वी टेक द एन इंडिकेट नॉर्मल चेन, इट डज नॉट कंटेन एनी ब्रांच, सो वी टेक द वर्ड एन. 4 कार्बन कॉल्ड ब्यूटेन. नेक्स्ट ईयर इट कंटेन one branch called as iso, and how many carbon? 4 carbon called as isobutane, or is iso also called as secondary. Third year it contain a NH2 called as aniline, it contain a OH or CH group called as lactic acid, chloroform, acetylene, up to the what depend upon the what here functional group we write the common name or tribal name. Second, IUPAC name. You know IUPAC means what here? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In 1999 we discover here. ठीक है, so if you write the IUPAC name of the straight chain hydrocarbon, we write the alkane in last suffix ane. Methane, ethane depend upon the number of carbon. up to आपको कहाँ तक लिखना है इसको? up to last what number 20. The 20 is called what here? Name is called what here? What here? Isodecane, or we also write the what here? The icosane. icosane तक आपको लिखना है 20 तक. ठीक है बेटा, तो इस तरीके से हमने इसको देखा. इजी टॉपिक है बेटा, ये अभी स्ट्रेट चेन का हो गया. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे हाउ टू राइट द IUPAC नेम द ब्रांच चेन हाइड्रोकार्बन, और व्हाट है ब्रांच चेन अल्केन. अल्केन इज एग्जांपल ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन. इजी, अच्छे से आपको प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच.